Okay, is selling your home as is a good idea? Yes? No? It depends? What do you think? This is definitely it depends answer. There are many sellers that have homes, maybe they're old, the homes, maybe the owner's old too, and selling it as is makes the most amount of sense. These are trust sales, these are probate sales. That's how they're sold, simply. Why does it depend? Because sometimes a buyer may want something that costs very little money to get fixed. It seems like an annoying request, but just taking care of a broken dishwasher could save a deal. That saving of the deal could stop you from having to put it back on the market again, go through the whole sales process again, possibly sell it for tens of thousands of dollars less than just replacing a $500 dishwasher. Definitely, it's an it depends situation, whether you sell your home as is or not. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you're curious how to maximize the sales price on your property, you can also go to edsellmyhomefast.com. That's edsellmyhomefast.com.